My ex is angry and bitter after the no contact period. What can I do? I don't know what to do. And I know you can be scared because you have done the no contact, hearing everywhere that the no contact was the best action that you can do right now. And you ended up with your ex that is very angry at you, bitter, that doesn't want to talk to you, that is always mad at you. And so you're starting to fear that you lost them because of the no contact. And so you're watching this video with hope. Hope that I have the solution for you. Hope that we can find a way to reconnect with your ex. And hope that your ex will forgive you for the past and for the no contact. Guys, let me tell you, after the no contact, if your ex is angry, bitter, you need to understand that sometimes it is the best thing for you. Why? Because I prefer an ex that is angry than an ex that doesn't care about you. I prefer an ex that is angry than an ex that friendzone you. So it's not because your ex is mad or very angry that it's bad for us. It's actually the opposite, because it means that your ex is still feeling a lot of emotions towards you. So of course, we will have to reverse the situation. We will have to rebuild the trust, the love, and the attraction. But I want you to really keep in mind that your ex, when he or she is angry, it's because they also care about you. They care about the situation. Of course, they are hurt. They are feeling some pain. But also, deep inside, there is love. Before I tell you what to do, what are my advice, what are my recommendations, I want to make sure that you will join the movement by smashing the like button and of course subscribing to Love Advice TV. This channel is here for you. We are providing you the best with Coach Adrian and the team, and we want to show you that you will be able to get your ex back even when they are angry, bitter, when they're just mad at you. We don't care about it. So step number 1, when we do the no contact, we do the no contact because we want to show to that person that we will not harass them, we will not be needy, we will not beg anymore, and that we can really rebuild ourselves. What can we expect? We are now the best version of ourselves. We are now doing things that your ex wanted to do with you. We are now showing that we will not come back at all costs. Of course, your ex will be mad at you. Of course, your ex will realize that you could have done it sooner. Of course, your ex would just be angry and they would avoid the conversation, the communication. Why? Because, as I mentioned, we show them that we were able to become the best version. But we are doing it a little bit too late in their mind. So when we put this into perspective, it means that your ex is seeing that you have changed. Your ex is trusting you again. Your ex is angry of the mistakes. And if you really, really want to get them back, you should not care about it. Because the goal is to be consistent in the idea that you're changing. The goal is to be consistent in showing that you're going out, rebuilding yourself, going to the gym, so they can really trust you. I have seen so many people, when your ex is angry, what do? They're scared, they ask for forgiveness, they say that they are sorry, so their ex continue to be angry. Listen to that, please, because this is coming from real experience. I'm not doing videos to entertain you. I'm not doing videos because I want to be a YouTuber. It's not about that. I'm coaching every single day. When your ex is angry at you and you respond by being sorry, you give them the control. If I feel that when I'm angry, you respond and you're nice, I will continue to be angry because I want to continue to have the control and to make you being nice. Do you see what I'm talking about? Guys, when your ex is angry, you need to tell them, look, I have changed, right? I understand why you're so angry today, but I want you to understand something. I can't come back on the past. I decided that today I would be amazing. I decided that I want to have a great conversation with you. I decided that I want to be positive. I want to value what we have experienced. So we should not talk about the past. We should not talk about the mistakes. I'm not here to recreate the story. I'm here because I have changed. And I know that you know that's the reverse psychology. And I know that you know that I have changed. And that maybe you feel anger about that. Maybe you feel angry about this situation. But I want you to know that I'm not doing it against you. I'm doing it because I had to change. So let's have a great conversation. Let's have fun. Let's be nice to each other. And if your ex is continuing to be angry and bitter, the moment you see that, you just become distant. The no contact is working because we want a reaction. The one thing that we don't want is an ex that doesn't care about you. Yeah, let's be friends. Let's talk. Oh, okay, you did a no contact. I didn't even notice that. I'm not mad at you. This is what we want to avoid. Because the line between negative emotions and love is very, very thin. So I'm pretty sure that you are in a good spot right now. But don't let the fear get the best out of you. Don't let the fear manage your decision, your situation. And I understand when I coach people, you're scared to do a mistake. You're scared about what I'm telling you because it looks so weird. It looks so different. It looks so unique that you tell yourself, no, but it's not possible. It is, guys. It is possible, and I know that we will get the results together. So, when your ex is angry at you after the no contact, we are not focusing on that. We are just happy to be the best version of yourself. We are just happy to show them that you're different, that you're unique. And you know what's going on in this case? You will make sure that your ex wants to talk to you again because you're not showing sign of weaknesses. You're not showing signs that you are mad at the situation, and you're just continuing to be the best version of yourself. And so sometimes the distance is the solution. So we do the no contact, they are mad, we show that we are changing, we stay distant. And when they talk down to you, when they are disrespecting you, I show you in this video, I told you what to say. And it's being assertive with a smile. So nobody cannot tell you nothing. So your ex cannot come back to you and be mad at you and telling you that you didn't change. All of this you need to maintain and control. So now, because it's different, right? But it's different because we are based on real coaching. We are not just doing videos. We are not just trying here to say something that we didn't test before. That's not us. We are a team in the US. We have a team in Brazil, in France, in Spain, in Italy. So we are the number one team in the world when it comes to getting back with an ex. And we are proud of it. I'm very proud to be the leader of this movement because I see so many people thinking that the grass will be greener, but it's not true. I see so many people dumping each other too soon without giving a real chance. And I see also other people like you trying your best, doing the no contact, working on yourself. And if your ex is mad, it's because they feel something. So let's show them what they have lost in a positive note. We are not trying to manipulate them, of course. And I want to make sure that you will continue into my philosophy. So I've attached a link in the description box right below where I teach you what I think about relationship, where I teach you how to make your ex to value you, how to make your ex to respect you, how to make your ex to also want you again. This is just free content at your fingertips in the description box right below. And before to click on it, I want to make sure that you smash the like button. I want to make sure that you subscribe and get access to our videos. I know the breakup could be very difficult to experience. There's so much workload of emotions. Sometimes we don't know how to react. Sometimes we want to say something, but we feel desperate. Guys, watch our videos. Continue with the free journey in the description. But let's understand something. Don't be rational. If my ex is mad at me, that means that they don't love me. It's not always the case. Sometimes we can love someone But because they are doing something that hurts us, we are trying to protect ourselves and we are mad at them. We are angered. We are angry, at them. Let's pause a moment. If they have emotions, it's because they care about you. If they have emotions, it's because your relationship was amazing. Lot of love. So let's create another situation. Let's open a new page. And I want to be part of this journey. That's why I want you to come on withmixagain.com/coaching. And you will find that there is private way to talk to me. We can do Zoom, we can do phone call, we can do, not Skype, I prefer Zoom. But we can really dive into your situation. And when I give you the action plan, you will find a way to make sure that your ex is seeing that you have changed. And that's where we can get the best results. I will see you very soon, guys. Stay strong, stay positive, and you will find a way to change this anger into the best love ever. I'm sure about it. I will see you soon, guys. Take good care.